वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Namaskar. From today, we begin the study of the text of Bhagavad Gita, beginning from first chapter. This is a dialogue between Shri Krishna and Arjuna. And how did we get it? Through another character, that is Sanjaya, one of the ministers of Kauravas, of Dhritarashtra, the blind emperor. By the blessings of Bhagavan Vyasa, he gets a special power to see and hear what's going on in the battlefield while sitting in the palace along with Dhritarashtra. On account of this blessing, Sanjaya is reporting everything, that's whatever is happening in the battlefield Kurukshetra, to the emperor Dhritarashtra, who is very anxious to know what was going on. And so the first chapter, beginning with a question by Dhritarashtra. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत संजय. Dhritarashtra uvacha. Dhritarashtra said, Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamakaha Pandavaha Cha Eva Kim Akurvata Sanjaya. He is asking Sanjaya, tell me, O Sanjaya, Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yutsavaha. Samaveta Yutsavaha. Samaveta, assembled in Kurukshetra, and which is a Dharmakshetra. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre, they should be taken as in Kurukshetra, which is Dharmakshetra. That is, in Kurukshetra, that is the center of the religious activity, that is Dharma. So, why they are assembled? Yuyutsavaha, desirous to fight, to battle. Mamakaha Pandavaha cha eva. Our people, his son Duryodhana and his people, and Pandavaha, the sons of Pandu and their people. Kim akurvata, what did they do? So, the meaning is, tell me, O Sanjaya, assembled in Kurukshetra, the center of religious activity, desirous to fight, what indeed did my people and the Pandavas do? So this is the question by the Dhritarashtra. So this Kurukshetra is a town about 105 miles from Delhi, a very ancient place even at the time of the Gita, and considered to be a holy place, Dharmakshetra, a holy plain. Even today, millions of people gather there on very special occasions and take bath in the lakes there. So that is Kurukshetra, which is Dharmakshetra, a place of Dharma, very holy place. So in that Kurukshetra, these two sides, my children and their people, as well as the Yudhishthira and his people, gathered there to fight this battle of Kurukshetra. So what did they do is the question Dhritarashtra is asking his minister Sanjaya. So in a reply, Sanjaya says, Sanjaya uvacha दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. Sanjaya uvacha. Uvacha means said. Sanjaya said, Drishtva tu Pandava anikam. Pandavanikam vyudham duryodhanah tada acharyam upasangamya raja vachanam abravit. So now tada Duryodhana, Raja Duryodhana, the king Duryodhana, what did he do? Having seen, Drishtva to Pandavanikam. Drishtva means having seen. What did he see? Pandavanikam. Vyudham Pandavanikam. Vyudham, the arrayed forces in whose forces? Pandava. Pandavanikam. Pandava Anikam. The Pandavas' forces, army. Vyudham, arrayed. Acharyam upasangamya. Acharya, his Acharya Drona, him, approaching him, upasangamya, approaching his Acharya, his teacher Drona, who is teacher to both the Kauravas and the Pandavas. So, Vachanam Abravit, he said these words, he spoke these words. So, King Duryodhana, that is Dhritarashtra's son, having seen the Pandava forces. So, this is being told by Sanjaya. After being asked by Dhritarashtra, Sanjaya is telling that King Duryodhana, that having seen the Pandava forces in battle array, approached his teacher Drona, who was teacher of archery for both the Kauravas and Pandavas, and spoke these words to him. So this is the meaning of this shloka. So what he said and all will be in the next coming shlokas. So few shlokas will be in the way the Sanjaya is narrating. In any dramas and all, initially some person will start narrating that there was such a so and so person, such as so and so king and all like that, and then slowly in the drama the roles, the main roles will appear, and then they themselves start conversation like that. Later Shri Krishna and Arjuna will also come. Initially this whole thing will be through Sanjaya. In Sanjaya's words we will be hearing the narration initially about the battlefield, how the different armies are assembled, what happens, and then Arjuna comes along with Shri Krishna, and then he asks Krishna to take his chariot in between the two armies so that he will be able to see whom he has to fight. And then seeing such a big armies both the sides and his own near and dear ones, and then Arjuna suddenly his mind he hesitates to fight, so he is confused. So that later then he will start talking to Shri Krishna. Then later on we will see Shri Krishna and Arjuna's conversation mostly, and only here and there again Sanjaya's narration we will see. So today these two shlokas will stop here. In again next video we will continue what Sanjay is telling Dhritarashtra. Namaskar. The shlokas and their simple meaning is given in the description box. You are requested to see there. Namaskar. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.